we're going to the helicopter. And right over there is a fence, and that's a seagull, and there's a cow, and a chicken, and that's Paul. He's getting a divorce. Yay! That's a ball guy. That's the girl who likes my daddy. But don't tell anyone.
Oh, flying in the helicopter.
Birdie.
Huh?
Don't worry. You're safe. You're the pardon turkey. I'm tired now.
He's the pardon turkey. Oh, flying over the city.
I'm the pardon turkey. I'm the pardon turkey. I'm gonna live. I'm gonna live. I'm the pardon turkey. This is blowing my mind.
Yes.